The vlog that you're currently watching is not the best. It's all tourist information. It shows the walking tour, and that's pretty much it. But that walking tour was 2 hours long, so I had to edit it down so it would fit within that 12 minutes or 13 minutes or whatever this is. So just want to let you know, if you don't want to watch something, you know, you don't have to, obviously. So peace. Got to the hostel, and I got lost on the way from the airport, or from the bus station to the hostel, so I took a cab. The cab just dropped me off, came in, starting some editing, and just waiting on my room to be ready. It should be ready in a couple of minutes, and once I get done with that, then once I get done with this editing, then I'll go up to the room, and I'm going to go outside and walk around the garden for a little bit and check that out. It looks like there's a big chicken out there. No idea what that is, but we'll check it out. And then, yeah, you'll see my room next. Look this way. To go head down to downtown. He really wants some whiskey, and we're gonna have a beer, and well, I will have a beer. He will be having a whiskey, and check out a little bit of the nightlife in Amsterdam. So, wish me luck. That's what I was telling him earlier. I like how he talks because it's funny. a supermarket outside. Like a flea market type thing. So we're walking from the hostel to the bus station, going down to Dam Square.
I see you,
It's
okay.
a little bit of a dad joke, I know.
I'm from New Amsterdam.
From New Amsterdam. Over to you.
I'm Topher from South Carolina.
South Carolina.
Yeah,
Also,
first time here.
first time. And you were traveling together, or?
No, I just met him at the hostel.
Yesterday. Also?
Yesterday, yeah.
This is meet you at the hostel day. There you go. Wow. And how long are you staying here?
Till Sunday.
Till Sunday. And then you're going through Europe? Or
Yeah, I'm going to Rotterdam.
Well, oh man, I'm
and
sorry
then
to hear that.
Maastricht.
Maastricht is very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Rotterdam and Amsterdam are.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are not particularly friends. That's it. Yeah. Well, it's a nice city anyway. It's really good architecture, nice clubs, good people. Yeah.
That's why I'm going.
Great sense of humor. They're very rude people, but just like the Amsterdam. Welcome, Topher.
Thank you.
Oh, David from France.
From France. And what part?
West Coast, Nantes. Next to Bordeaux. Next to Bordeaux.
He's from Nantes. Nantes. Okay, so before we get started, I want to take you to the red light district first, and I have to give you one warning because we have two enemies today. The two bees. You know what they are? What's the two bees?
Beer?
That's my friend. Come on. The birds. Yeah, I'm not the bird. Oh, okay. There you go. Okay. This was no blame. But no, we have the birds that you want to be careful of because they poo on your head, and we have the bikes. Please be careful of the bikes. I actually lost half my group the other day. And why? Because there was a girl, she was actually doing the exact opposite of what I told her to do. She was taking pictures while crossing the road, which is a very stupid thing to do if you're building it, and the bike almost ran into her. I saw it happen, so I pulled her up. I saved her life, basically. Am I a hero?
Yeah. Those are taxis.
Yes, taxis.
Mercedes and.
It saves the life of pigeons.
Yeah, no, Mercedes.
Where?
The taxi was a Mercedes. The car. Mercedes Benz. Mercedes.
I don't know what is it.
The car.
The car what?
The car.
Yes, the car, yes.
Yeah. Mercedes.
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 Sorry. I don't.
To the hooks. Hooks. Yeah. For pulling furniture up.
What?
It pulls furniture up.
Yep.
Yeah, the yeah. But the hooks are there for the pulleys to pull furniture up to the top floor.
Piano.
Yeah. Or
As you can see in cartoon.
yeah.
US cartoon.
Yeah.
It's a picture of Pinocchio. You know what I mean?
No.
Why would anybody throw a bike? Why?
Jump.
Jump? No, they throw.
Stolen. Stolen.
because
So that they don't get so...
maybe I'm speaking hypothetically here. Maybe I've done it too once, and maybe the reason was that I was drunk on a bike and I saw a police ship ahead of me. They were looking at me, and I thought if I continue cycling in a not very straight line, they're going to pull me off the bike and they're going to see that I also am on a stolen bike. And because I don't have a lock with me, so how can I put this bike? So maybe this happened, and I went back maybe, and then hypothetically I could have tossed it into the canals. I'm not saying I have, but this could have happened. This is one of the reasons people may do it, and also because 15,000 bikes, how many dead people?
25.
Sorry?
25.
That's pretty, that scares me a little bit, 25. Yeah, it's actually around 10, at least 10. Yeah. And so, do you guys know the expression blowing smoke up your ass?
Yeah.
Have you heard that one?
Yeah.
Okay, so for the people, could you explain what it means? Oh, well, it means now modern day English, it means like you're disingenuous, right? You're giving me a compliment and I know you're full of shit, basically. Pardon my English. When you speak English, do you say pardon my English? I always wondered this. Yeah, and when they saw you drown, how did they save you? This is where the expression comes from. Originally, the saying blowing smoke up your ass comes from London. Because they have the Thames River there, right? Now, if somebody saw you drown, they had professional divers that the government would give a medal to each time you save somebody. And what they would do is they would jump in, they would pull you out of the water. But back then they saw you and you were unconscious, and they believed that the reason you were unconscious is because your soul had left your body. And what is the only way to bring a soul back into your body?
Blow smoke up his ass.
Blowing smoke up his ass. Ding, 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 ding. We have a winner. Duh. That's the only way, obviously. Let me take my vitamin duh. Duh. There you go. Another dad joke for you. But what they used to do is they would actually pull you out of the water and they would put you on your belly on the street. They would pull your pants down, and then they had a sort of a hollow tube, a steel pipe, and then they had a tobacco, like a pipe, to smoke tobacco, and like Sherlock Holmes. Elementary, my dear Watson, elementary. And they would actually put it in your ass and
This is the first time I've ever seen some pay station for the restroom.